everyone, John at Cross Motors in Louisville with the Jeep of the Week. I got something really cool for you guys this week. This is a action truck by Thaler Design. We actually sold this thing a year ago and just got it back in with even more goodies than we had when we sold it. So let's start with the suspension. It does have a TerraFlex control arm kit, but on top of that, it's a Fox dual reservoir shock as well as a bump stop, and then on top of that, it's a TerraFlex adjustable sway bar. So it'll do anything you want it to do. On the front, it's obviously a steel bumper, warm VR 10,000-pound winch. Wheels and tires are a 37-inch MT, and that is a true B-lock. This thing will do anything you can dream of. Quite a bit of armor down the side, obviously, with that rock rail, and that is deep enough to operate as a step, which is handy when getting in and out of this. Now on the interior, it's been modified with a full leather stitched out seat, and it does have Bluetooth. Now this was based around a Sport. Any of you guys that are doing big builds on these knows that's the way to go, because you can swap the axles and things. It does have a set of TerraFlex axles under it. Now it's an action truck, so obviously in the rear you have quite a good sized bed, really. Now this isn't stretched or anything. This Start Life is a 4-door and was modified accordingly. So you just still have the same wheelbase as a 4-door, just modified out. Coming around to the rear, it wraps up with a set of JW speaker taillights to match the JW speaker headlights, and then a swing gate reinforcement, matching steel rear bumper. So for any extra questions, comments, thoughts, please give us a shout at 502-459-9900. Make sure to check us out on Facebook, and you can subscribe to our YouTube as well. I'm John, and we'll talk to you guys next week.